The word of the day is adjustability. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I thought I would show you the light kit for the Traxxas UDR, but show you how it works with the Traxxas app. At the time this video is being shot, the app just came out, so I just updated everything. I have an iPhone, so I did have to update the app in the App Store. And then once you hook it up, you will need to update your ESC, your light module, the transmitter, and the receiver. You will need the Traxxas Bluetooth module that goes in the back of the transmitter in order to do this. Okay, so when you go into your app, you go into the dashboard, and there are a ton of different functionalities. And there are plenty of options that you can play around with for different lighting modes. Starting out, everything's on the high setting, but there is adjustability. You can play with the buttons and adjust it to different things. Setting 1 is actually daylight. So your front headlights will be off, but your rear tail lights will stay on. And if you go it all and hit the brakes will come on. And then setting 2 is a low setting. This will be adequate light, maybe for an evening run, I don't know. And then again in high, you have the ability to play around with different options and pretty much do the lighting as you want to do it. So really pretty cool stuff. In daytime mode 2, you have the ability to put on one of the grills if you want to. This way the grill lights are on, but you don't have the windshield light on. Alright guys, so that's about it. Just wanted to show you the functionality of the app with the lights, the Traxxas light kit. Please post any questions or comments below. If you liked what you saw, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you all soon.